This is the installation video of the LUVERNE Journeyman replacement bumper on a 2017 Ram 2500 HD. This bumper is available in a carbide black powder coat finish. For this installation, we will be installing the Journeyman on a diesel model as it requires a few extra steps. For regular gas models, please refer to the print installation instructions. Begin the installation by disconnecting the batteries. Next, locate and remove the 4 push clips holding the plastic grill cover in place and set aside. Remove the grill from the truck by removing the 4 10mm bolts securing it to the frame. Once the bolts have been removed, firmly pull the grill straight back from the truck and set it aside. Locate and disconnect the power cable on the wiring harness located on the driver's side, and pull the harness free from the frame. Next, remove the 4 18mm nuts that hold the bumper to the frame. Repeat this on the other side. With all the nuts removed, lift the bumper from the truck and set it aside. In order to attach the mounting brackets, you will need to lower the intercooler. Begin by first locating and removing the 2 bolts securing the intercooler bracket to the frame rail, followed by the single bolt on the intercooler. With the hardware removed, slide the intercooler bracket forward and set aside. Repeat this on the other side. Next, locate and remove the 2 18mm nuts holding the bumper mounting bracket on the outside of the frame. Push the intercooler aside and remove the bolt plate from the frame, allowing the bumper mounting bracket to be removed. Repeat this on the other side. Once the bumper mounting brackets have been removed, reinstall the intercooler to the brackets and frame. Lift the mounting bracket into place and insert a 1/2 by 4-inch hex bolt with flat washer into each mounting hole. Fasten in place with a serrated flange hex nut. Repeat this on the other side. With both brackets in place, reinstall the grill and grill cover. Set the factory bumper onto a flat work surface. Disconnect the wiring harness, and then remove the bolts holding the fog lights to the bumper. Disconnect the wiring harness from the parking sensors and carefully remove the sensor and bezel from the bumper. Do this for all of the parking sensors and fully remove the wiring harness for later reinstallation. Next, reinstall the factory parking sensors into the same location on the Journeyman bumper. When all the sensors are installed, route the wiring harness through the bumper and attach it to all the sensors. With help, lift the Journeyman bumper into place and fasten it with a 1/2 by 2-inch bolt with a flat washer into each mounting point and secure it with a serrated flange hex nut. Adjust the guard so it is level and upright. Once satisfied with the placement, tighten all of the hardware. Next, attach the fog lights to the new fog light bracket using two 1/2-inch hex bolts with flat washers and serrated flange hex nuts. Lift the fog lights into place and fasten it to the bumper with two 1/2 by 2-inch bolts with flat washers and secure it in place with a serrated flange hex nut. When the lights are in place, tighten the hardware. Repeat this on the other fog light. Once both fog lights have been installed, reattach the wiring harness to the fog lights and parking sensors. With the previously removed bumper mounting brackets set onto a flat work surface, remove the factory tow hooks and reinstall them onto the Journeyman bumper using the factory hardware. Finish the install by reconnecting the battery cables. This completes the installation of the LUVERNE Journeyman replacement bumper on a Ram 2500 HD. For more information on this and other great products, visit LUVERNEtruck.com.